Hey guys, this is Monty with 2hubs. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Doormate by 12speed products. Box opens easily. 3 pieces basically to install the unit. The main unit itself. Slide it into the handlebar. Make sure it's flush. Take the smaller housing piece. Remove the adhesive backing. Put it over the top. Make sure the adhesive adheres. Take the second housing piece. Remove the adhesive backing. And basically you slide it over. There's a little notch on top. Slide it over. Make sure it clicks in. Tighten the adhesive. And voila, you have an integrated garage door opener into your handlebars. All right, now that we have the unit installed onto the end of the handlebar, we're going to wrap the handlebars. So I'm going to go over how to wrap the bars properly. So here we have the black handlebar tape. What I do is I put it over the unit with a little bit hanging over. So I'm basically going to cut a triangle shape right here. So basically I'm going to bring a triangle out of the bar tape, and that's to alleviate the little bulge that is created at the end of the bars. So with a pair of scissors, I put this over as such, and I'm just going to cut a little triangle. Voila. Put it over, just like that. And we're going to start wrapping. You want to have an even wrap all the way up, so the space here should be even, just to make it look nice. And I remove the backing as I go up. And if I'm looking at the bar from this way, I'm basically going clockwise. So when I get to the lever, most bar tapes come with this extra piece, and put it over there. The clamp. And some people cut a little bit longer, some people cut a little bit shorter, whatever is easier for you and looks best. So I just keep wrapping the bar, and I'm trying to get it even. Some bar tape you have to stretch, some bar tape you don't need to stretch. Go over and around the lever, and what I'm doing here is, once I get to the top, I'm coming towards me, and the reason we do this is so the bar tape doesn't unravel over time. Common mistake is to wrap it the other way, and the bar tape comes unraveled from your hand pressure. And when I get to the top, I basically, with a ruler, I've marked 2 little dots on top of the handlebar to ensure that my bar tape is even when I'm looking at the stem. And when I get to the mark, again, I cut the excess bar tape off. Also comes at an angle. Looks like that. Come around and I get a nice, clean finish. And you can finish it off with electrical tape, or you can finish it off with the bar finishing tape if the bar tape comes with it. Great, now that we've finished wrapping the bars, we just pull the lever hood back. The left side's finished, and you just repeat the same process on the right side, and you're ready to go. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you out there, and enjoy the ride.